It is time to bust some medical mysteries. Dr. I and Dr. J are back this morning to answer your questions and make sense of all of those trending health fads that we've been curious about, the viral videos that we see. Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. How are we?
Good morning. Happy Friday. We're fantastic.
Good. It's good to see you as always. This one, if this is true, is going to send me into a spiral. True or false? Getting some extra shut-eye on the weekends can shorten your lifespan. I'm going to say false.
It is false. Don't spiral, Marky. It is false. So the bottom line is sleep is good, right? Sleep is good. So sleep does a few things, right? When we're sleeping, it's our time for restoration. So our brain is resting. So when you get more sleep, less dementia, better memory. Our metabolism is resting. So when you get more sleep, better metabolism, lower weight, less weight ills are related to weight being excessive. Your immune system is resetting. You have less inflammation. So overall sleep is good for you. Now, this is the thing. Ideally, you want to get a good 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. But there's a study that found that people like Jamil and I who do not get that, if we get what they call makeup sleep during the weekend. So you may not get a lot of sleep during the week, but if you get that makeup sleep during the weekend, you still have those health benefits. So bottom line, sleep is good. Yeah. Every night's better, but you can do it too.
What if you have a new baby and you're not sleeping in the weeks, you're not sleeping on the weekend either? Yeah, feel like it's not good news for yours truly. Hey, true or false, moving on to the...
Yes.
What'd you say?
Now it's time to spiral, yes.
Yeah, now it is time to spiral. I'm spiraling. Okay, moving on to the next one. Allowing your pets to kiss you on the mouth is perfectly safe. I'm going to say true because I want that one to be true too.
I'm afraid that one is false, Marky, although it's not as bad as you think. But look, pets are not discerning, right? They will put their mouths anywhere. And the reality is they have a lot of bacteria in the mouth. Now, not all bacteria is bad, right? But research has shown that when you kiss your pet, you tend to get a lot of the bad bacteria, things like Campylobacter, a parasite called Giardia. And sometimes you can get a really nasty one called MSRA, the flesh-eating bacteria. Now, in reality, if you're healthy, vigorous immune system, it's probably not going to cause you issues. And the flip side to it is you can also get your pet's good bacteria, which can boost your microbiome and make you healthier, less diabetes, less metabolic conditions. However, I would just say, go with the simple probiotic. Drink a little kefir if you want that good bacteria. Don't kiss your pet because you can get the bad bacteria as well.
They're so cute. They're just so irresistible.
Just hold them back like this and look at them.
Yeah, okay. When it comes to health benefits, the best years to begin traveling are your golden years, so ages 70 and above. False.
That is false. That is false. So if you travel in your 70s, that's great. But when it comes to travel, it's an earlier and often kind of thing. So travel is great, right? When you're traveling, you're out doing things, you're seeing new things, you're trying new things. So it's good for your brain, right? Better memory, less dementia. Generally, you're up and you're moving, right? You're walking the piazza in Italy, or you're surfing, or you're hiking, things like that. So it's good for your body. But really, the key is to bring these habits home. And so if you start doing this when you're in your 20s, you do it often, you carry those habits when you're at home. People that travel have less dementia, better heart health, less heart attack, less stroke, less diabetes, less cancer, less everything. So travel at any age, but start early, do it often, and bring those habits home with you. Yeah. That's the key.
I was just telling my husband yesterday, I'm ready to get a vacation on the books. I want something on the horizon to look forward to. Hey, October, as you know, is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. True or false? Women who eat foods packaged in either plastic or cardboard increase their risk for breast cancer. I'm going to say true.
This is true. This is true. So it comes down again to these, what we call these forever chemicals, which are these chemicals that seem like they're everywhere now. And we call them forever chemicals because they stick around in our bodies and in the environment forever because they're tough to break down. And so anything that's like spill resistant, leak resistant, water resistant, stain resistant, typically has these PFAS forever chemicals in them. These chemicals are bad actors. In men, they can increase the risk of testicular cancer. Women, the risk of breast cancer. In all people, metabolic disorders, diabetes, liver disease, kidney disease, thyroid disease, a lot of bad stuff. And they're so pervasive in the environment now, they actually did a study, which was really scary, where they tested cord blood in newborns. And what they found was 98% of the cord blood in newborns had these forever chemicals in them because they're so pervasive in the environment now. And they're bad actors. So yeah, if you're going to eat foods, and it's easier said than done, but try and eat things that are packaged in plastic. Not plastic, I'm sorry, glass. Absolutely not plastic. And if they're packaged in anything other than glass, try and make sure that it's not spill resistant or stick resistant. It's less likely to have those chemicals.
Wow. Stunning about the cord blood study.
Yeah, yeah,
wow,
yeah.
hadn't heard that yet. Thanks to both of you, as always. Always
Of
good to have you on the
course.
show. Have a great weekend, guys. I'll talk to you next
You as
week.
well.
And to have your
All right.
medical or health questions answered on our show right here, you can find Dr. I and Dr. J on social media at @the twin doctors_.